Click on Add New. Set a name for badge. Select label style. Change width size. Change border radius. Set a label to free shipping. Set a font weight to bold. Change label color. Set position to out of image. Change shadow. Navigate to Products tab. Select all products. Save it. Navigate to Settings tab. Change badge out of image position on archive page. Change badge out of image position on product page. Save changes. Display free shipping badge on archive page. Display free shipping badge on product page. Disable status. Click on Add New. Set a name for badge. Navigate to Image Labels tab. Select Shipping. Select Free Shipping badge. Change image label size. Set animation to swing. Navigate to Products tab. Select Products. Select Included. Select Beanie. Save it. Display free shipping badge on product page. Click on Plugins. Woocommerce should be installed and activated. Click on Add New Plugin. Search for Asana Plugins or Badge and Product Label for Woocommerce. Click on Install Now and activate. After installing the plugin, navigate to Product Badges.